Hello, and welcome to the Accent Bank by Sarah Valentine. My name is Stephen Coulthard, and I was born in the United States of America. And I am proud to come from Northern California, just south of San Francisco, in a city called Fremont, which is part of the Silicon Valley, and this is my natural accent. Now I'm going to read the following sentences. The amazing redwood groves of Northern California, about an hour's drive from my home, are the tallest trees in the world. Walking underneath them makes you feel incredibly small. I don't think it's a good idea to be rude to people. Kindness is free. The sun is never very hot in the San Francisco Bay Area. We have beautiful foggy mornings that cool the summer heat. I like to go walking on the beach, but I also love it when it rains and I'm inside and I can hear it on the roof. For breakfast, I would love some iced tea, and I would please like to have an omelet with bacon, sautéed mushrooms, and cheddar cheese, please. I would love to travel to a few of these cities: London, Paris, New York, Los Angeles, Tokyo, Berlin, Amsterdam, Athens, Lagos, Barcelona, Rome, Dubai, Vancouver, Moscow, Singapore, Sydney, and Dublin. Please be kind to one another. Lastly, if you want to learn accents, remember to go to actorsaccentcoach.com. Now I'm going to count from 1 to 20 and do the alphabet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Letters and words. A is for apple. B is for banana. C is for Charlie. D is for dog. E is for egg. F is for frog. G is for gold. H is for hello. I is for ice cream. J is for joy. K is for king. L is for lemon. M is for mother. N is for nut. O is for orange. P is for pepper. Q is for queen. R is for rose. S is for Sarah. T is for tomorrow. U is for umbrella. V is for Valentine. W is for water. X is for X-ray. Y is for yellow, and Z is for zebra. I am not an actor or a voice artist, just a local businessman here in the Silicon Valley, and this was just a lot of fun to do. Thank you so much.